Iconic Isle. Have you ever wondered why some boats feel unforgettable while others barely make an impression? Or why certain brands create models that stay popular for decades while others fade away in a few years? These questions reveal why the idea of Iconic Isle stands out. Although no boat is officially named Iconic Isle, the phrase strongly connects to Iconic Yacht Group, one of the fastest-growing leaders in luxury and performance boating. Announced in 2024, the group brings together legendary brands like Fountain, Donzi, Invictus, Dutch American, and Opus, all under one vision of power, style, and premium quality. Led by CEO Fred Ross, well known for reviving the performance boat world, Iconic Yacht Group is reshaping how people buy, maintain, and enjoy their vessels. Their stores in Miami Beach, Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and the Great Lakes give customers access to top designs and high-end service, not just sales. They are also raising standards through modern support systems. Their mobile app, service vans, and personalized maintenance plans show a new way of owning a boat, one where problems are solved faster and customers stay connected to expert help. This approach fits perfectly with the idea behind Iconic Isle, a place where luxury and performance meet convenience. For lighter water adventures, the name also links naturally to ISLE paddleboards, a popular company known for strong, inflatable paddleboards, motor mount systems, and multi-person platforms built for balance, fun, and adventure. Together, these brands express the full meaning of Iconic Isle, premium experiences on the water for both luxury yacht owners and everyday explorers. Call to action: if you want stronger performance, smoother service, and a better time on the water, explore what brands under the Iconic Isle concept bring to today's boating world.